Energy efficient houses part 2. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how heat is lost. So, let's go ahead and dive into this topic. To start, conduction. It is the main way heat is transferred between the inside of a building and the outside. Also, you need to consider the walls, the windows including doors, and the roof as conductors. Heat loss by conduction through the walls can be reduced, and that is through a special technique, by using building materials that are good insulators and that have high strength and durability, and of course are available at a good price. Now, let's talk about the bricks. For walls, bricks are the common building material. As you can see in this diagram, we have bricks. The typical construction of a modern house in the UK is basically like this. You have the outer brick wall, which is the outside layer, and so they have quite good insulating properties and are strong and have a good weathering properties as well. And so they are built with thermal bricks right here from this side, and these thermal bricks has the ability to absorb and store heat energy. And this ability to absorb and store the heat energy is what keeps the house warm. It warms when it is exposed to a source of heat. Also, they are light, relatively cheap, and quick to work with. The two layers of brick are separated by an excellent thermal insulator in the form of air, cavity, or gap. And so, as you can see, this gap in the middle is what separates the two layers, and it is a highly reflective surface. Now, let's talk about the convection currents. This means heat is circulated from the warmer surface of the wall to the cooler surface of the other, and so the gap in the modern houses is filled with insulating panels to stop heat loss, such as glass fiber matting. Glass wool or fiberglass insulation is an insulating material made from fibers of glass, arranged into a texture similar to wool. Glass wool is produced in rolls or in slabs with different thermal and mechanical properties, and the panels are usually surfaced with thin aluminum foil to prevent such process. And so, this is all you need to know about houses.